Ready to elevate your English skills? Let's dive in. Hi everyone, it's me again, and today we will be looking at some false friends. Stay there, I'm going to teach you. Argumento vs an argument. Um argumento é um raciocínio destinado a provar ou refutar determinada tese. An argument is a discussion in which people express different opinions about something. Por exemplo, o Edson tem sempre bons argumentos. Don't you want to hear both sides of the argument? Traduzindo, teremos de argumento para point, argument para discussão. Atender vs to attend. Atender significa responder a quem telefona ou bate a porta, servir a um cliente. To attend means to go and be present at an event, meeting, party, and so on. Como, por exemplo, o Jaime atende bem os clientes. How many people attended the basketball game? Traduzindo, teremos atender para to answer a phone ou to serve a client. To attend para participar ou estar presente. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, share with your friends, like, comment, and see you soon.